It's been a tough week, gentlemen. We've lost more than we ever dreamed, but we will recover. I've got a blank check, and we're going to use every cent of it killing Makarov. Despite what the world may say, we are not savages. We don't kill civilians. We use precision. There's an evil man hiding in these shadows, and we're going to bring him into the light. Once his face is revealed, we will write history, gentlemen. These are the last safe havens left on Earth for Makarov and his men.
Sounds like we gotta be in two places at once.
Impossible?
Not for the 141.
50-50 chance to take out Makarov, eh? Captain Price, request permission to take the safe house with Roach.
Granted. Soap and I will take the boneyard in Afghanistan.
Very well. We will cut off all avenues of escape. This ends now.
Strange. Could have sworn we ended this war yesterday.
Snipers in position.
Strike team go. Engage Makarov on sight.
Roger that. Solid copy.
Let's go. Let's go.
You're gonna get hit by a mortar! Lose a bit of smoke! Go, go, go! Got a man down!
We got 2 trucks leaving the target building. Roger, firing javelin, danger close.
Javelin, danger close! Get back on the road! Bloody hell, those trucks are bulletproof!
2 away. Moving vehicles have been neutralized. Be advised, we have not, I repeat, we have not spotted Makarov, and no one else has left the house. Those trucks may have been decoys. Over.
Roger that! We're advancing on the house now! Clear the perimeter! Артиллерия меняет позицию! Противники впереди! Этому бойцу нужен... Этому бойцу... And clear the safe house! Go, go!
Contact, 11 o'clock. I got eyes on. Got him. Ozone. Movement. Office clear. Ozone. Target at 1 o'clock. Office clear. Let's go, let's go! Grenade, move! Ozone. Make sure no one leaves for the kitchen. Roger that. Scarecrow, give me a sit rep.
No one's leaving to the front of the basement.
Roach, go with Scarecrow and check the basement for enemy activity. Breach and clear. Go. Top floor clear. Roger that. Top floor clear. Dining room clear. Ozone. Target at your 3 o'clock. I'm moving. Enemy down. Affirmative.
I got your back, Roach.
Basement clear. All clear. Squad, regroup on me.
Scarecrow, photographs.
Roger that.
Shepard, this is Ghost. No sign of Makarov. I repeat, no sign of Makarov. Captain Price, any luck in Afghanistan?
Plenty. At least 50 hide guns here, but no sign of Makarov. Perhaps our intel was off.
Well, the quality of the intel's about to change. This safe house is a bloody gold mine.
Copy that. Ghost, have your team collect everything you can for an operations playbook. Names, contacts, places, everything.
We're already on it, sir. Makarov will have nowhere to run.
That's the idea. I'm bringing up an extraction force ETA 5 minutes. Get that intel. Shepard out.
Roach, get on Makarov's computer and start the transfer. Ozone, you're on rear security. I've got the front. Go.
On my way.
Task Force, this is Price. More of Makarov's men just arrived at the boneyard. Soap, cover me. I'm gonna stop that guy over there and use his radio to tap into their comms. We're going silent for a few minutes. Good luck up there in Russia. Price out.
Roach, there's an armory in the basement. Better stock up while you can.
Makarov's men are going to do whatever it takes to keep us from leaving with this intel. We need to protect the DSM until the transfer's done. Use the weapons caches and set up your claymores if you've got any left. Defensive positions, let's go.
Ready to engage.
Sniper Team 1 to Strike Team, be advised we've got enemy helos approaching from the northwest and southeast.
I'm in position.
Enemy choppers in 15 seconds. Roger that, 15 seconds.
Go! Contact Alpha! Установи пулеметную точку в ресторане! Давай, давай! Go! Contact Alpha! Copy, target one! Loading! Target,
Damn it! Need assistance! Ozone is down.
Патроны кончились! Сержант! Что запасной? Противник слева! Target fire! Roger, I see him!
RPG team moving in from the southwest.
Вижу вражение!
I have eyes on additional hostile forces moving in on your position. They're approaching through the solar panels east of the house. They're moving in through the solar panels east of the house. Roger, I'll try to cut them off as they come to the trees. Use your claymores if you have them. Plant them around the trail east of the house.
Патроны кончились! Противник ближе! Copy, target acquired! Прикройте меня! Target is Oscar Mike! Капитан, получил приказ! Впереди, брат! Огонь! Вижу его! Go!
RPG team approaching from the west.
Solid copy. RPG team approaching from the west.
They're dropping in more troops west of the house.
They must be by the boathouse. Cover the west approach.
Tango down. I'm displacing. You're going to be without sniper support for 30 seconds. Stand by.
Впереди солдаты противника! Да, я его вижу! Contact 11 o'clock! Roger, fire! Десант уже в пути! Удерживайте позицию! Contacting at 5 o'clock!
RPG team moving in from the east.
What the hell was that?
Be advised, you have a large concentration of hostiles moving in from the southeast. They just breached the perimeter. I'll try to thin them out before they get too close. Recommend you switch to scope weapons. Over. He's down.
Roger that. Everyone cover the field to the southeast. Move!
Got one.
Ghost! Contact! 12 o'clock!
Roach, the transfer's complete. I'll cover the main approach while you get the DSM. Move!
This is Shepard. We're almost at the LZ. What's your status? Over.
We're on our way to the LZ. Roach, let's go!
Они пытаются обойти нас снова!
Roger that. I have a visual on the red smoke. Standing by. Roger that. Cleared hot. Guns, guns, guns. This is Viper 2-6. Stand by for rocket attack. Over.
Roger. Hit them hard on that hill. Make sure they're down.
Roger, I'm on it. Coming around, heading 250. Roger, I got him lined up.
Gold Eagle's on the ground. Watch for snipers on thermal. Over.
You have the DSM. We've got it, sir.
Good. That's one less loose end.
Area is sanitized. All targets destroyed.
Solid copy. No movement detected. 2-6 going into holding pattern.
try again. Do not trust Shepard. So, get down!